Hello guys, let's deep dive into these AI news and AI rumors. And let's start with the breaking one that's, let's say, 1 week old. Peter Steinberger officially joins OpenAI. OpenClaw is expected to remain an active, supported open source project. Let's say that things are moving pretty fast in AI because Peter Steinberger invented or created OpenClaw around 1 month ago, and after 1 month he and his project is basically acquired by the OpenAI. Obviously the OpenClaw should stay open source project, but Peter should be involved in creation of autonomous agents, AI agents in OpenAI. So really crazy how this guy that was already retired because he sold some company, I don't know, a couple of years ago for really decent money, is now working on AI in OpenAI. Really cool, guys. Pretty cool. Microsoft is testing a new health tab. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Microsoft is testing a new health tab in Copilot with connectors for Fitbit, Garmin, Aura, Apple Health, and Health Records. So, at least, guys, at least they are doing that, because I think that this one is already in those other AI LLMs chats or chatbots for a couple of weeks or months at least, right? So, Manus AI has officially announced its new always-on agent with long-term memory connectors and access to Manus capabilities. But it is only on Telegram for now, so hopefully it will be able to do some other chats. This one is again from Testing Catalog. Shout out to you. You are the best in providing some AI news. And OpenAI is working on a new model configuration setting that lets you set the default model and thinking effort. Which is cool, guys, because I really don't like going to, for example, Gemini or ChatGPT and every single time checking if I have the correct model, if I have the correct thinking effort toggled on. So that's really crazy, guys, because I really don't like to be checking that. And a couple of times it basically happened that I forgot to check it and I just, went there and asked the prompt, put that prompt. But then I realized, oh gosh, I have a different model that I wanted, and I have a different thinking effort that I usually use, and hence I needed to stop the conversation and start again. So I don't like this one. I think that you don't like it too, right? Let's go. XAI is rolling out Grok 4.20 in beta, powered by 4 agents across all apps. Again, this one is from Testing Catalog, guys. If I'm not mistaken, yes, it is. Thanks to you. You are the best. Shout out. Grok 4.20 beta for experts. I haven't have time to check this one out, but if you had, definitely leave a comment under this video and let me know. Let us know how it was and what was the result, if it's that good or not. Anthropic started rolling out Claude Sonnet 4.6 to the users. Claude Sonnet 4.6 scores 72.5% on OSWorld computer use benchmark. So it is expected to be a good model for co-work tasks and also with performance close to Opal's 4.6 at a lower price. And that is really cool, guys, because if you are watching this channel and if you are not, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. And if you are, you already know about this tool because what? Because we already recorded the video on this Sonnet 4.6. So definitely go check it out on this channel if you haven't seen that yet. Google announced Glimmer, a new design system that prioritizes voice, gesture, and eye tracking, focusing on glanceable, transient elements that appears only when needed. Guys, this is crazy English. These are crazy English words. So sorry about that. I apologize for reading that in a bad. Yeah, in a bad way. Sorry, I'm just looking at it and I don't know how to read it. So provide that, please, feedback in the comments. I'm happy to be educated on that. So maybe, guys, we would expect Gemini power glasses soon, right? Because this is exactly what you should see in your AR or VR glass or AR glasses, right? Because if you are watching something or you are somewhere and basically there's some notification, maybe a little slightly blurred, background of where you are, what it is, and closer to you, there you have the menu or the items or the notifications. I can imagine that, guys. Nerve is joining OpenAI to continue building search for ChatGPT. To that end, we are excited to share that Nerve is joining OpenAI. We are excited to get started and help continue building search for ChatGPT at a much larger scale. Enjoy, guys. NVIDIA today announced a multi-year, multi-generational strategic partnership with Meta spanning on-premises, cloud, and AI infrastructure. Really, really cool, guys. These bad boys are, taking that serious. MyClaw launched a managed 24/7 always on OpenClaw agent. It can be easily accessed from the web or on any device and connected to any social media platform. So if you are afraid, running OpenClaw because of, for example, some security reasons or whatever, maybe try MyClaw. Maybe. And guys, definitely don't forget to check this channel. It's my channel, it's this channel, and definitely subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos, and definitely click on the like button under this video so we can get in front of new people, so they can discover this channel and they can learn AI the best way or the better way than on other AI channels. Because we are literally building one of the biggest AI channels out there on the internet. I can't pull this one off by myself, so I need your support, guys. So thank you for everybody that is doing the subscribe action, liking, commenting, and also clicking on the bell icon. Highly appreciate you guys. Now back to the video. Google released Lyria 3, a new music generation model that powers the newly released Gemini music feature. Up to 30-second music tracks are supported. The latest music generation model, which you can use to turn your ideas into musical tracks through prompts or even photos. If you want to know how to do it in action and how it works, definitely check this channel, check our channel, this channel only after this video, after end of this video. Check this out because this should be this is video that I published maybe 2 days ago, and you should be able to understand much more. OpenAI Atlas browser can now auto-organize your 100+ open tabs automatically with a new auto-organize feature. So if you are one of those people that you have actually opened, hundreds or maybe tens or hundreds of different tabs, and you just want to look at it, someday, somehow, you just think that you will get to it, guys, this should be for you. Thanks Testing Catalog for providing this feature. And also thanks for providing this AI news, which is OpenAI is reportedly working on an adult mode as new sensitive content warnings were spotted in the code. This is an example of a conversation sharing. So as you can see, you are sharing conversation and there is a notification around sensitive content. So maybe some censorships. Gemini 3.1 Pro preview is now available on Google AI Studio, our latest SOTA state-of-the-art reasoning model with unprecedented depth and nuance and powerful multimodal understanding and coding capabilities. If you've never tested Gemini 3.1 Pro, definitely go do it and definitely check yesterday's video on this channel because it's the exact video you need to see before you test this new Gemini model, which is actually one of the best models out there. So definitely go check it out. And also check out these benchmarks of this model. It's already crushing every single one of the benchmark for Gemini 3 Pro, except MMMU Pro, but except for that, it wins in every single benchmark. And it's comparable results with Opal 4.6, and again, it crushes that in almost every single benchmark, but there are few ones that where Opal 4.6 is slightly better. So these are the top models right now in the AI. Claude Pro users can now use Claude in PowerPoint as well. Claude Pro is getting bigger, guys. But I am not PowerPoint user. I don't do the Microsoft Excel and the Office thing. I am really a Google guy. So I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are using these offices. Google has officially announced the Photoshoot feature in Pomeli, which is the AI tool from Google Labs, available free of charge in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So shame on the Europe, guys. We don't have it here yet, but maybe I will be able to access this one with the VPN and I will do a review video. So if you are interested, definitely smash the like button, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and let me know in the comment section by putting there a Pomeli. Oh, sorry guys, that's a different. There we go. Google will soon integrate NotebookLM in the Opal workflow builder. This also means that users will be able to rely on the context from their notebooks within their super gems on Gemini. So this is something, guys, that I was expecting, coming from 2025 to 2026, because Google is really working hard with all of their models, and I'm really thinking that they will be basically putting all of these, the let's say try and true and tested models. They will be basically connecting that together. So at the end of the day, it will be maybe Gemini that will have access to all of these models, all of these features, all of these tools. And you will be basically managing that through Gemini. At least that's what I think. I don't know if it's gonna be like that. I do think so. I do think so that it's gonna end up being like that. Because if you are a Google, you just want people to go to one place and access everything. The challenge is basically to tell them how to do it and be easy to actually work with that, access that, etc. Anyway, Microsoft is working on a new Copilot advisors experiment in which two AI experts would debate a given topic. Guys, that's something I saw somewhere. Is that correct? Maybe audio overviews in the NotebookLM. Maybe, right? So Copilot, clap it up for you. You are great, guys. One year later than the Google, for example. So I don't know how long the NotebookLM is here with us. I don't know, but Copilot they are great in the Microsoft. They are great, guys. Anthropic released Claude Code Security in a limited research preview. Claude Code Security can automatically scan the code base and suggest security fixes. Okay. This is really good one, guys, because security is one of the, biggest issues right now with the vibe coding. Great. Claude Code on desktop can now start dev servers to preview the code and fix CI issues on their own. This is what would let users drastically reduce back and forth follow-up during vibe coding, guys. Again, another support for vibe coders. This is crazy. Pika Labs introduced Pika AI selves, multifaceted beings with persistent memory who act as a living extension of you. This is the future, guys. AI avatars are coming. Cedense 2.0 API launched might get delayed due to copyright restrictions, as mentioned in one of the previous videos where we were talking about Cedense 2.0 and the backlash from Hollywood and other studios. Initially, the target launch date was planned for February 24th. Cedense 2.0 is the best video generation model available today. At least this is what the AI gurus and experts are saying. OpenRouter usage has been tapped by OpenClaw and it is likely to continue. So if you can see OpenClaw tokens stacking up, OpenClaw accounted for around 13% of all tokens on OpenRouter. The red one is the OpenClaw tokens, the blue one is the other Claude Code tokens, and the green one is Claude Code Anthropic tokens. So OpenClaw is really crushing the internet. And this one is cool, guys. OpenAI is working on a new 100% Pro Lite subscription plan for ChatGPT. And basically, the idea is to capture a new segment of users between Plus and Pro, because if you are using the Plus, you have the $20 subscription. If you are using the Pro, you have $200. So it's 10 times more than the plus, right? So they are trying to capture the people that don't want to pay 10 times more, but maybe 5 times more would be okay with them, and they would pay for it. Obviously, the goal is to maximize, the revenue coming from subscription. And obviously, I think this is something that other models, maybe Claude does have that, if I'm not mistaken. They do have at least the 20, maybe 100, then maybe 2 and 500, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really sure, guys. Provide info in the comment section if you are familiar with that, but I think they are trying to do something like that. Anyway, guys, this is it from the AI news and AI rumors this week, this week. We are still in the this week. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these news and what you are pumped the most about. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon and like this video, because we are literally building one of the biggest AI channels out there, and definitely one of the channels that has the biggest added value for you, so you can use AI in the best possible way in your personal life, in your family life, in your career, in your entrepreneurship or company journey, whatever. Definitely check this video out. You would be stunned, and you will be stunned what it can do, and you would be really surprised. And see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.